Alright, so this here is an old John Deere edger that was given to me. And get rid of that sticker there. If we look at the date code right there, it's showing 1983, I believe. Yeah, 83, December 12th, 1983. And this is a 3 horsepower. Now, I was told it ran. Here's what's left of the actual model tag. So it is made by John Deere. I was told it ran, and that was it. One thing about it is the pull cord's kind of messed up. I don't have any pull cord at the moment, but my plan is just to get it to see if the motor is good, and then I'm going to do a full restoration on it. Now when I say restoration, I mean just sanding it down and painting it. I'm not professionally doing this like most people do when they do restorations. This is basically just make it nice and shiny and look good again, not bring it back to its when it was brand new. But yeah, so I'm gonna put the camera in the stand and we're gonna do some looking over, first impressions, and get it tore apart. And if you hear any noise in the background, it's the door creaking. This building that I am in is not airtight, and there's like a breeze blowing through here even though all the doors are shut. But anyways, I'm gonna put the camera in the stand and grab a couple tools and we'll get on it. Alright, so first thing we need to do is check air filter. I'm going to be running back and forth from the toolbox, which is close proximity. So I'm going to take this off, check air filter, all that fun stuff. And it has no air filter. Now, that's not necessarily a bad sign, but it's not a good sign either. That is loose, which is never good. There is old gas in the tank, but other than that, it's not rusted out, which is a good thing. We need to find out what's up with this recoil. First assumption is this recoil is stuck. Nope. It's got compression, that's good. So, let me see if I can find my spark checker and we'll see what's getting fired. Because that looks like a brand new spark plug, and it is. It's the wrong one, too. So I can check for fire without ground it to here. That ought to be good. Oh yeah, it's sparking good. So this was before, this was made after electronic ignition came into play. I believe that was 1980 when they started using electronic ignition. I could be wrong, but anyways, let me get the correct spark plug. I should have some here. Alright, this is a small spark plug. It's actually the wrong one. It's been running on it. A BPMR 6A is the incorrect spark plug for this particular unit. It calls for a J19LM. Should we check compression? Let me see if I can find my compression tester. So I've got to be able to see this so I know when to stop pulling on it. So we'll just do it like this. We'll be able to see when the gauge stops. This recoil's got to be fixed. Alright, let's see how I'm going to do this. So I got it. There we go. I'll show you all the final reading. So we're at, ooh, doesn't look good. Let's see if it'll run. It may just be stuck rings from sitting so long. I mean, it sounds healthy. Just give it a little drink. Let me make sure this is on slow because I don't want it, to speed. Let's see what it does. It'll run. Let's see if, I didn't even check oil in it. I hope everyone is liking these videos because I'm putting a lot of time and effort into them. It's got oil. How clean? No, it doesn't have oil. That ain't good. Let's put some oil in it. These are going to be fun to fill. This will be good for right now, 1030, because my 30 weight is in the storage building. So let's see here how I'm going to do this. It has absolutely no oil in it, which is not good, but not bad also, because someone could have drained it. So I found a rather gross looking funnel, so I'm going to clean that out real quick. Okay, I got it as clean as I can get it. This is going to be still fun to fill up. Try not to make a mess. And yes, I should have checked the oil first, but I didn't run it long enough to hurt anything. Alright, let me see here. I didn't bring my paper towel with me. Oh, well, is that up to the threads yet? Not hardly. Now I believe the person that gave this to me drained the oil out of it because they was going to throw it away because that plug was loose. Alright, let's see. And how far up full are we? It's good enough. And let's see if we can keep it running now. There's oil in it. Give it a good spray. Pull it real quick. That recoil's messed up. Oh yeah, that motor's healthy. Alright. So I see what the person was talking about, the recoil. It's got a starter clutch on it. What's in that gas tank is going to have to come off. So, this was will it run, and it will run. So, we're going to start in the next video the teardown, and I'm probably going to have to order parts for it, so this will probably be a while before the final product, I guess you can say. Because, yeah, anyways, I will see you all in the next video.